Sforbolt Anchor. More secure fastening in drywall and hollow bases. Exclusively formulated plastic material. Adjustable ring for different anchor base thicknesses. High-quality treated metal plate. Available in two versions for 3/16 of an inch and 1/4 inch screws. Maximum recommended load. Drill a 13mm diameter or 1/2 inch hole. Insert the metal part into the hole. Pull the anchor by pressing it against the surface. Then push the plastic ring until it touches the installation surface. Break the rods by hand. Position the object to be secured and tighten the screw. When it's time to secure, choose the right anchor.